subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Sir Abdul Sattar Khan, 11th English New Syllabus 2.6 The Planners Icebreakers देखेंगे. Let's begin. You have heard the proverb plan your work, work your plan. It means choose the proper alternative from the statements given below, which would explain why town planning is essential. पहले का आंसर है मेक अ प्लान एंड वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट प्लान. दूसरे का आंसर है टू डेवलप द सिटी टू अकॉर्डिंग टू द गाइडलाइंस. और उसका अगला जवाब है टू यूज़ एंड डेवलप द लैंड अवेलेबल इन द सिटी फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द सिटीजन्स. Next question given below are various professions in column A, and in column B the nature of work in respective professions match the columns. एनेस्थेटिस्ट, ये एनेस्थेसिया लगाने वाले जो लोग होते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं अ पर्सन हुज जॉब इज़ टू गिव ड्रग्स विच मेक द पर्सन नॉट टू फील पेन, especially in preparation for a medical operation. Pharmacist, a person who has been trained to prepare medicines and sell them to the public. Orthodontist, a specialist in the treatment of problems concerning the position of teeth and jaws. Dermatologist, the medical study of the skin and its diseases. Architect, a person who designs buildings and supervises the process of constructing them. Chartered accountant, a person who is engaged in the profession of accounting and examining the statements and records of accounts. 7 है editor, a person who is in charge of a newspaper or of a part of a newspaper. It is called as an editor.